Okay, boys and girls, today you're doing the suffix ION, which means condition or action. And below here we have some words and definitions as examples. So you have the word solution is an action or process of solving a problem. Prediction is the action of predicting something. Invasion is the act of entering as an enemy. And collision is an act of moving or striking against another. So all of these are, when you have the ION, it's the action or the condition or the process of something being done. So we have the solution to my problem was to clean my room. I need to use my prediction skills to figure out what happens at the end of the book. There was an invasion during the war. Or I saw a collision of two cars at the intersection. The next part of this activity, you will need to do your multiple choice questions, and you're going to figure out which word goes best with the, which word goes best in the blank for the worksheet.